excited to walk through Maria's mom's Italian bakery. It's located in Marlton, New Jersey, and is a family-run business with a heartful and inspiring origin story. The bakery is a testament to the enduring bond between mother and daughter and their shared passion in baking. The story begins with Maria and her mom, Mary Lyn. The shared lifelong tradition of baking cookies together. This tradition, especially around Christmas, was more than just making treats. It was creating memories, sharing secrets, and passing down rich Italian traditions. The idea of the bakery was to be born out of a challenging time when Maria Lyn was diagnosed with breast cancer, and the physical toll of her illness meant it was unable to participate in the annual holiday baking tradition. The disappointment was profound, and the movement that made Maria promise to her mother if she beats cancer, they would bake together, not just during Christmas, but every day. Mary Lyn belovedly fought and overcame her illness together. They fulfilled that promise and dedicated their shared love of baking to the world, sharing their family traditions into a business, and the baking just followed. The bakery was known for its homemade from scratch approach, while only the finest ingredients, and creating a wide variation of Italian cookies, cakes, pies, and breads. The bakery's unique charm expanded to other locations in the historical house in Marlton, New Jersey. And this is over a 150-year-old building, and this adds another character and history to the business. It is a popular spot for local residents and visitors alike. Over the years, the bakery has earned a reputation for a local and national media, while also having a famous coconut cookie that you have to try. Now, I didn't get over there and try any of them because it was unfortunately closed the day that we were there, and they were on a holiday break. So you can see it is kind of like a residential area. Definitely a good amount of foot traffic coming through, but I will get back over there and support this bakery and try some of those cookies in the near future. If you have any information that you would love to add to the story here, so we want to turn this into a Reddit type feel. Any information would be useful for other people trying to grow and learn about the history of Maria's Mom's Bakery. Maybe there'll even be more locations in the near future. Until then, we'll get over there, we'll try it, and maybe we'll do an update video or add a comment in the near future. That's going to do it for our video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come, and make sure you go out there and play a little bit of golf today. That's it for this video.